What's good? Where my dogs at?
What up, Pat? What up, Pat? Let's get it.
Yo, what's good, family?
Yo, if we have anyone new here, welcome. If this is your first time with us, I am Fico Jordan, 1/6 of the founders of the Alpha Pack Trading Group, and this is my family. We come here to get chicken together, and we come to hunt for the best plays in the industry. We have come into to that. It just is what it is. And those that are in the group, seen it 13 weeks straight. It is what it is. But tonight, special because this is our last live watch list call. From now on, it will be recorded Friday evening. As soon as the market is over, we jump right back to work, trying to find the best plays. That way, we can have more of a dialogue and conversation within the Discord about these plays over the weekend, and so you can go and enjoy your weekend and watch this in your convenience. But you know how we get down. We are going to go ahead and go over so far the movement and kind of catch up and recap how things have been moving in the market. So right now, let's go ahead and go over how things finished. We got the quarter. If you are not familiar with how we kind of go over things, we trade multi-frame continuity. It's the only way that we can kind of identify, no, not kind of. It's the only way you can identify price action based upon participants and time. And so we are looking at things from the quarter, top left, going counterclockwise, quarter, month, week, day. Excuse me. Right now on SPY, coming off of that bounce that we caught on from consistently watching futures. We have a green quarter, green month, green week, green day. If you are new to our strategy, this means we are in full time frame continuity. This is just the identifier that buyers are currently in control and they are taking the offer and not the bid. Right now on the Dow, we have green quarter, green month, green week, green day. Same exact setup. Russell, green quarter, green month, green week, red day. After the gap up, it came down and filled. So if we go green on the day tomorrow, we have full time frame continuity. Catching that? Yep. All right, QQQ, where the money resides, What a money reside. Has the most magnitude right now. Green quarter, green month, failed 2 down month. Moving back and forth to go outside month. We have the reversal, 2-2 off the bottom of the broadening formation on the week. Green on the day. All across the board, green. Let's go to the sectors and SPY. XLB materials, we are green on the quarter, green on the month, green on the week, red day, gap filled to the downside, but those green on the day, it'll move. So we're going to move fairly quickly through these because a lot of these have full time frame continuity. XLC does not to the upside, it is to the downside. Red quarter, red month, red week, red day. Who's in control? You're catching on. XLE, full time frame continuity. No. We are red. We have a green quarter, green month. Let me go ahead and remove my broadening information. Apologize for that. Red week, red day. We got a new week. We go green on the week. We go green on the day. Full time frame continuity. XLF, full time frame continuity to the upside. All green. XLI, full time frame continuity to the upside, all green. XLK, same situation. XLP, no, we did have a red day if it goes red or green on the day and green on the week, we're back in full time frame continuity. Real estate, same situation as XLP. Utilities, same situation as XLP and XLRE. XLV, same situation. a red day, that when it goes green tomorrow, giving us a green week, then we will have full time frame continuity, and XLY having the same scenario. We have full time frame continuity to the upside. Boss Gang VIP, can you tell us what the Almanac has for us coming up this week historically? What's up, baby?
Absolutely. We'll appreciate everybody for being here. I'm excited for this upcoming week. We're definitely going to be bullish. Just to keep it short, this week what I'm excited about is we can expect a run, especially in tech and small cap stocks. Late October is the time to buy depressed stocks. If you've been in the pack, we've been mentioning sector rotations and getting in on a lot of these reversals and taking advantage of some of these leaps. So I'm definitely excited. This is typically one of the bullish moments in the market. And so we understand that we're going to be where the money resides, and when the money is flowing in, we want to take advantage of that. As far as fear and greed goes, right now we're at 51. It's neutral. We're about double what we were 2 weeks ago. So the buyers have started coming in. I expect institutions to continue to throw a lot more money, and for us to get the FOMO buyers to come in. So we're going to take advantage of that as well. But overall, we're looking good. We know where the money.
Boss Gang VIP, you muted.
Yes, sir. That was it.
Okay. So we gonna go ahead and get started. So we don't keep y'all too long. Wealthy Soon, Mr. Cam G, Stocky Pippin, what you got for us this week? Okay. Let's see. I'll go ahead and throw in.
Hey, I can jump in if need be.
Go ahead, Mr. Check My Resume.
All right, bet. All right, first off on my list, I hope y'all had a good Friday. We ate good. First on my list for this week, we got Lucid, LCID. Right now on the 4-hour level, we got a 212 above 2408. Then your next level, you've got a 22 rev on the week above 2422. On your level for Lucid, look for that one to go. Buy some time and just sit on it. Don't get too antsy with that one. Next one on the list is Johnson & Johnson. J&J got a 22 rev on the week above 161.85. Next one is Qualcomm. Qualcomm also has a 22 rev on the week. That's above 130.40. And tech this week looks very strong. Tech stocks looking very strong. So I really like to set up on Qualcomm. Next one is the XLV stock. MDT, Medtronics, we got a 22 rev on the week above 128.32. Then the next one you've got, and let me know if I'm going too fast, FICO. Next one I got is Roblox. You got 22 rev on the week on Roblox above 77.22. Next one is Palantir, but I believe the bros are going to talk about that one, so I'm not going to pull it up. Next one I got is KMB. I'm only going to point out the macro on that. It's a 212 on the quarter above 141.83. Boss Gang is going to break that down for us, so I'm not going to go too much in detail on KMB. Next one I got, and you know this is one of my favorites, is eBay. We got 3 level triggers on eBay. You got a 212 on the 4-hour above 75.21, and you've got a 312 on the day above 75.42, and then you've got a 312 on the week above 75.75. eBay looking super fire. Next one you got is Costco. Costco is 312 on the 4-hour above 452.59. And you got a 212 on the week above 453.91. Those are your levels for entry. Make sure you get that. Yes, sir. Next one you got is a Marvell on the weekly, 312 above 66.28. Marvell's been in full time frame continuity for the last 6 weeks. That one right there is a smacker. Just got to get good entry. Next one is Dollar Tree. you've got a Dollar Tree 212 on the 4 hour above 99.50. And then on the week, we got double inside weeks. Your entry level on the week is above 99.82. Next one I have is Square, but the bros are on Square, so I'm not gonna talk about that one. Next one is Intel. Intel, we've got two macro levels, 22 rev on the week above 54.49. Then you got a 22 rev on the quarter above 57.46. Intel's fire. Now here come my favorites for the week. I got Visa. Visa's fire and MasterCard, but on Visa I've got a 22 rev on the week above 231.09, and then you've got a 22 rev on the month above 233.33. Then for MasterCard, you've got a 22 rev. Actually, on MasterCard, you got a 4 hour entry 212 above 356.06. A 22 rev on the week above 356.61. Then you've got a 22 rev on the quarter above 395.28. And that's all I've got for this week. And I'll let the bros take it away. Back to you, FICO.
Cam G, Mr. Wealthy Soon, aka Stocky Pippin, are you ready?
Yeah, sir. I'm definitely here. Ready to go through my game plan. I got 8 stocks on my list, so not too large, kind of focused. First one, we got ET. I like this setup. We have a 2-1 on the day. We also have a potential 3-1-2 rev on the week from the bottom of a broadening formation. So I'm liking ET. I'm also just liking the way that some energy is potentially bubbling. I heard that my guy Earl already called J&J. That's also on my list for the 2-2 rev on the week, which would lead to a hammer month rev. So I like that one. It also has earnings this week. Another one with earnings this week is going to be Abbott, ABT. That has a potential 2-1-2 rev on the week, which would lead to a monthly hammer rev, which would also lead to a potential shooter hammer quarter rev off the bottom of the broadening formation. So that one has a lot of actionable signals with it, especially in the event that the earnings goes well. So I'm definitely going to be looking at ABT. FICO, another one that I'm watching is going to be AMC. The reason why I'm watching AMC is because you can look on the day. We have been stuck within a mother bar for almost 2 weeks now, and we're at the very top of the mother bar, so it could potentially finally break the mother bar. It'll be a 2-1-2 on the 4, but it has to break 41.78. It already has full time frame continuity to the upside with the hammer on the month, so I'm definitely liking AMC. Another one I like is Roblox, RBLX. There's a potential 2-2 rev on the week. This one is also sitting at the bottom of a broadening formation, has a nice magnitude on it. I think Earl also kind of alluded to Square. I'm really liking Square. This one has a shooter hammer counter on the day. And the day rev will send it back to full time frame continuity to the upside. It'll swing the day back green. There is a small gap on the day. Tons of magnitude and currently sitting on a volume shelf. So me and FICO definitely love volume shelf plays. That's what Target was. So yeah, super easy for that one. Another one that I'm looking at is Costco. There is a hammer on the day, currently sitting on the point of control. And this one would do a potential 2-1-2 weekly rev to the upside. Costco has already kind of been smoking boots a little bit recently, so I like the strength that Costco has been showing. It has like a PMG. And then the last one on my list for this week is going to be Sherwin-Williams, SHW. I know Boss Gang could probably like something like that. This one has a hammer on the day, and also will do a potential shooter hammer combo on the week rev. And that's what I'm looking at this week. We definitely gonna get to the chicken as always. And yeah, do your homework. Back to FICO.
All right, where the money resides, where the money resides. So, my highest conviction play of the week right now is Square. Right now, we do have a Luca 2131 set up in his diamond over here on the 1 hour, and the 4 is sitting on point of control. On the volume shelf, we had the hammer counter shooter set up on the day. You have a 212 reversal on the week. Magnitude is going to be 289.23. Now, the thing that I'm paying attention to is the same instance of what occurred with Target last week. We had failed the 2 down push here, and we took out July's low and immediately reversed back the other direction. When you get a failed 2 down on a macro time frame, so let's say especially like the month or the quarter, and it takes out another month's level, this all right here was chopped like it's a zipper. Price action came down, took out the low, and immediately reversed in force back the other direction. It's looking to go outside month. 274.37 is a layup. The fact that it's sitting with this setup here and it's been moving sideways for 2 days after the reversal tells me it's about to go off. I see this at about 270 easy within like 2 days. So that's pretty much my highest conviction. I'm looking at FinTech this week, same as Mr. Check My Resume, things that look amazing right now. I'm not for sure in terms of the contracts. I'll be looking at those in the morning. We got double inside months on Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs had a double bottom that it gave off the bottom of a broadening formation. It has a hammer on the day. It had 266% average volume on Friday after a kicking bull. Yes, the relative strength is there. 420 is the magnitude to the high. Pfizer, company I used to work for. That's up. Hammer on the month, failed 2 down, took out the lower level from February, immediately moved in force back to the other direction off the bottom of broadening formation. Now sitting up over point of control on the day, violently moving to the upside. So off of this hammer week, you got a 2-2 reversal over 110.16 back in the other direction. I would say that the buyers absolutely stepped in, looking to go outside month at 118.99. Not very far that the price action has to go, but nonetheless, we know if it fails one side of the range, it looks to take out the other. Some of these are going to be absolute layups. Outside of that, I'm going to be paying attention to corrective activity on Target. I am already in Tesla 1022 850 calls because Tesla's getting ready to melt up before earnings. It already is. Deviation channel tells me it's getting 900, and then after that, it's going to try to get all-time high. People say, $1,000, blah, blah, blah. I don't care. I'm taking it to exhaustion, and we're going to find that broadening formation in the upside, get corrective activity, and see how far we can go due to earnings. I will not swing through earnings. Not that stupid. I'll go ahead and take my money because we'll be up there well before that time frame hits. But that's the plays that I got this week. Boss Game VIP, Mr. Buy Low, Sell High. What you got for us this week?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hope you guys are ready. Expect to have a really, really good week. Get your level set, and we're going to take off from there. Mr. Check My Resume mentioned KMB. We really like that setup. And I'll break it down quickly, tell you why. So we have double inside quarter green, monthly green, 2 down, pushing up, double inside week, consecutive 2 up days, finished at a doji. Let me give you the levels. 134.09 week at 134 above the 134.70 level, monthly and quarterly break. We out of here. Next one, Walmart, quarter, shooter hammer, reversal, green, monthly hammer, green, 2 up, week, green, corrective activity on the day, looking for that one to take off. above 141.10. Tons of magnitude on that coming into the holiday season. Let's go. Next one, I'm looking at Charge Point. CHPT. I'm looking for a reversal here. I'm looking for a reversal on the small caps and some of the things with a ton of magnitude here. So we're still red on the quarter, red on the month, we're green on the week. And we need a small move to go green on the day above 20.03. Give yourself some time on this when this has a ton of magnitude. Once you get some actionable signals on this, when you see some buyers coming in, we're out of there. The next one, similar play. Run. 2 down is a green quarter, green month, green week, double inside day. Looking to find some strength here. This has a ton of magnitude potential to the upside. Clear, broad informations. I'm looking for run above $50.60. A couple others I'm going to go through, not going to really give the setups. A couple crypto plays, any above $8.59. We've made a ton of money on that. Hut again, above $12.46. What you guys are going to realize when things start running, they're running until they're not running anymore. So when you see buying opportunities, you go ahead, hop back in. That's what we did with Hut. We were able to make over 1,000% by simply focusing on the same plays and taking advantage of reversal opportunities. The last one I'm going to throw out there right now is going to be Rocket. We were able to get in Rocket early. That was another trade alert that we put out there. There's a couple entries we're going to have on Rocket. Let me get that set up real quick. Okay, so in Rocket, we're at the bottom of a broadening formation. We have a green quarter, a green month, a green week, and 2 up green days. We had some profit taken clearly. I believe the market's going to be bullish, and I'm going to take advantage of it with Rocket. So we have an early entry above the 1654 level on Rocket, and the ultimate level for this weekly, or for this level we want, is above $16.97 mark. So that's all I got. I expect to have a good week, FICO. Thank you.
That is what's up. Honestly, that's the plays. Like, the individuals that's on here that's been taking advantage of these plays the past 13 weeks, it's been absolutely crazy. A lot of FOMO coming in. I have to say, for the new people, we obviously understand industry-wide, this is not something that is common. The team's just in the zone, and it's just one of those situations that we knew whenever we first started the group, especially trading the strat, that we were going to hammer down on education. Why? Because we sought out independence, that we did not have to rely on someone else's call-outs. We wanted everyone else to be in the same frame of mind, that if the market was always going to give you opportunities, and that no matter what, you would not be the individual that had to sit back and say things like, cash is a position, the market is full of chop. Even when the market was in red days, we were still finding 100% trades. This is no cap. There are individuals here on the Zoom who are in the pack that can attest to this. This happens. This is frequent. This is what occurs over here. We have extremely amazing, talented, strong, intelligent, phenomenal, independent traders. If you are new here, this is your first time on a watch list call, you're seeking a community to get into, this is the place where you are going to find and be pushed towards independence here. So you will be strong alone, but more powerful as a pack. We do not have a wolf as our symbol for no reason whatsoever. We don't want you to have to go out here and eat alone. A wolf should never have to hunt alone. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen,
FICO.
Go ahead.
Sorry to cut you off. Did I mention fuel cell?
No, you didn't. Oh my God. I forgot. So
Right. I don't know why, because we're already in. We're already making money. So fuel cell, we were able to get in this. This was an intraday trade alert on the charts. Green quarter, green month, green day, green week. After market, I guess Zach Morris says he's going long, and Benzinga actually posted an article, caused the stock to spike after hours. And it's amazing the levels that it stopped. It stopped after hours at $7.85. The trigger level for fuel cell is above $7.85. We get the gap up. There's a good chance, and we take off. I'm not sure if it'll be a gapping or not, but I don't want people to miss it. I'm glad a lot of people are already in there. Setup is gorgeous, tons of magnitude, so we'll see what happens. Set the levels. I just wanted to make sure before we got out of here, we didn't miss out on that.
100%. Now, anyone that is new, that has been charting, do you have any plays that you are looking at that maybe you do not know specifically what you're looking at that I could take a look at? I will give 5 minutes towards that. If not, we are going to be well on our way so you can finish the rest of the evening with your family out here on the East Coast. I gotta put my daughter to bed. And look, man, we're gonna get straight to the chicken tomorrow morning. I gotta get up very early because futures will be cracking about like 5 o'clock in the morning. And I want to make sure that I'm properly prepared for that. Outside of that, Chewy, let's go. Let's take a look at Chewy. SoFi. Now, one of the things I'm going to ask before I even say anything about the play, why did you pull up Chewy? Because I do want to ask what made you take a look at Chewy. You don't have to speak. You can type it in the chat. I just want to make sure that we're looking at this from the eyes of the strap and not just, maybe because we've seen somebody, post it in a forum. Chewy right now, lower point of control. It is a 2-2 reversal on the week, over 64.09. Now, the thing you need to be concerned about is time frame continuity is to the downside. You had 3 red weeks, so the fact that it had a green week on Chewy literally is just corrective activity. Unless now, if you get a 2-2 reversal on Chewy on the week, then yes, target is going to want to tell you 67.26. At that point, you want to be paying very close attention to what would make the month go green. That's simply it. Because if the day starts green tomorrow, then the week is green. So if the 60, the day and the week are all in alignment, then yes, it will go. But other than that, it's right now, this looks like corrective activity in regards to the downside, and that magnitude is going to be 55.81 right now. So pay close attention to that continuing this move to the downside. The reason why I say that was because the moment that Chewy took out May's low, it would have reversed right back the other direction had buyers stepped in, and it did not do that. So I would look for Chewy to make more movement to the downside. Let's see, SoFi, 2-2, okay, 2 reversal of the week, did not take out the low from March. 2-1-2 continuation of the week, that thing got up out of here. Move, target of July hit, did not stop it. Oh, so okay. So if you look at the high, so one thing that I point out, I mark your week and your month highs and lows, and then go see how the 60-minute time, not just the most recent, all of them, the one you see in your chart, every week and month high and low, and go and look and see how your 60-minute time frames respond to that. Boy, your mind is going to be flying. But right now you got a shooter counter hammer on the day. So if it did go below 1932, we're looking at 1895. You have a Luca setup, but this look like a Luca that's gonna go short to the downside. So it will look to take out Thursday's low. And then after that, you'll see. So basically, you got this crazy spike. So what you get right now is just corrective activity. It doesn't mean it's going to like keep going down because it's obviously the buyer stepped in. But because of this run right here, you can get small corrective activity, and it's moving back to the upside. But that's pretty much it. Looks like two shorts, but Chewy looks like it could possibly reverse back to the upside. But outside of that, we're gonna go ahead and get this loaded up to YouTube, into the Discord channel. If you are not in the group, this is your first time attending our watch list call. If you're interested, please visit www.alphapackTrading.com. Use the code THESTRAP. You'll be surprised. Got a little gift, you know what I'm saying, a little code for you there. And if nothing more, follow us on Instagram, Alpha Pack Trading. Yep. But everybody, hope you have a great night. Peace.